You can boost student success with Literacy Geeks state-aligned assessment questions by leveraging 3 flexible teaching options. First, your students can answer questions independently, helping them practice test-taking skills and build confidence in tackling state exam questions on their own. We auto-grade each question and provide personalized feedback directly to your students. You can easily view scores and feedback anytime you want. This approach gives you valuable insights into individual students' needs and readiness. Second, for targeted Tier 2 support, you can explicitly teach the questions in small group or to the whole class by using the Student View option. This allows everyone to see the question together, promoting collaborative learning and enabling teachers to model strategies for approaching similar test items. By addressing common challenges and misconceptions in a focused setting, your students receive personalized guidance, and they can ask questions that strengthen their understanding and skills. At the end of the lesson, students can write in small groups or independently, applying what they have learned to the practice question. These 3 options ensure you can adapt your instruction to different learning needs. By combining independent practice, small group support, and whole class instruction, your students will develop familiarity and proficiency with state test formats and will help improve your students' scores on your state English language exam by reinforcing skills, building confidence, and addressing gaps before test day.